Y'all already know what it is. You already know what it is. Hey girl, I'm Sonia and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing another Walmart fall haul, and it's my favorite time of the year. Fall is everything, and that's why I get started so early with the help of these stores, right? Because they're dropping all of their fall items early. It's still warm every other day here in California, and it's like teasing me. I'm ready to bundle up. I'm ready for hot chocolate and cider and, you know, the hot drinks at Starbucks. If you have missed any of my recent hauls, which I did like last week and the week before that, make sure you guys check those out as well because tons of cute things. And if you like content like this, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you have not already joined my family, make sure to hit that subscribe button now. And it's time to get dressed. Okay, I'm gonna start this haul with pants because those are my favorite. They're the hardest to find, especially if you have like a straight body like me. I found these in the junior section, or I think it's like young men's or young adults. I actually wore these last night and I thought they were so cute. They're super comfortable. There are drawstrings so you can make it tighter in the waist. Can you see that? I kind of like cinched it just a little bit more. There are some ties at the ankle, so if you wanted to bring the ankles up a little bit. But for me, I just like to keep it open. These I was super excited about. These are from Sofia Vergara. Ooh, nice and comfortable and super stretchy too. When I stand back, you can see the true color here, and these look amazing. I think these look really cute. Let me put some boots on. I'm wearing a size 10, and I think these look so good. Oh, okay. Okay. Do you see how like it kind of goes smaller in the waist? I love it. It makes me more shapy, right? And they're not gonna choke me, which I love. I'm hoping these next ones work because they're brown wide leg cargos, and like please, please, please. These are in a size 10 as well. So these are gonna hit you right at the ankle unless you are under 5'5". They're not stretchy, so you're gonna lose the structure, but they're not like too stiff. We're gonna feel uncomfortable. Yeah, I feel like these look better because they don't cut my feet off. Right? Don't they look, I think these look better. I mean, yeah, there's nothing there because the Lord didn't give me anything, okay? It's not the jeans, I promise. I also wanted to try on this jacket because I think it goes perfectly with these pants and the bodysuit. Like the whole thing is so good. This is also like a stretchy jean, so you can get away with layering or wearing it oversized and open like I am right now, rolling up the sleeves. I love it. I love it. See, got tons and tons of boots. Let's see, I'm gonna try on 3 of them today, and I think these boots might look good with what I'm wearing. So let's try these on. These are actually from Scoop. Aren't they great? I got them in a size 8, I believe. Yeah, a size 8. These are platforms, but they have cushioned soles, which is nice, and a really super thick, chunky block heel, which is gonna give you tons of support. They're super comfortable, a lot more comfortable than I thought they were gonna be because they're platforms, but no. I break my ankle. They're kind of giving me like gaucho vibes because they do hit me at the ankle, but because I'm wearing these platform booties, I just feel like it elevates the look so much more. If you're wondering, they also come in black. These are really good quality boots. As you can see, I'm like, wow, under $50 too. So for these next boots, I wanted to put on some faux leather leggings because they go over the knee. So these are also from Scoop, and girl, when I saw them, like, yeah, I have to get them. I was actually looking at some other boots that are very similar to this, but they were over $300. Not today, okay? Not today. It has a wide opening and then a zipper at the ankle to help you get in and out of these boots if you need it. These are hot. These are hot. Let me change my top, hold on. Okay, so I paired it with this oversized blazer. This is also from Walmart, and I featured it in one of my last hauls, and it's my favorite jacket ever. I tucked my shirt into my leggings and just kind of like let this peek through, but look how cute does this look? I mean, Walmart. Walmart. Okay. Okay, next up are gonna be these boots. I think they're so cute. They're kind of like suede, like faux suede material. And I got them in a size 8. They are under $40. They're like $34 and some change. They do have memory foam, so again, we're looking for comfort, right? So I'm gonna try these on really quick. I'm making a huge mess in here, y'all. Uh-oh. For the brown ones. Ooh, they are really comfortable. Let's see, I have another jacket here. Might as well try it on. It kind of reminds me of like Free People without the price tag, because this is, let's see, it doesn't even have a price on it. Sure, it was under $30, and it came in, I believe, green color as well, and maybe black, but I wanted to try some colors, step out of the box. So let's see how this goes. And it is in a size extra large because I wanted it to be a little oversized and comfy. And that's exactly what it is, like oversized and comfy. Keep chasing the light, girl. Here is this green, like a cutoff. I don't know, there's a lot of cropped jackets out there right now. And I typically don't get them because I just don't have a small waist and I just feel like it makes me look blockier. But if you do something like this where I have like a cropped tee underneath, you can tuck it in if you don't have a cropped tee, and look how much smaller my waist looks in this jacket. So it works. I like the color, of course, and it comes, I believe it comes in a couple of other different shades, but I love green, so I went with this one. And last but not least, will have to be this puffer jacket. These are always like a hit or miss because they can make you look like a big marshmallow. Okay, here we go. I believe this came in brown, and I'm wearing a size large. It's really soft and it is fully lined on the inside, which is great. Okay. The sleeve length is nice too. It's not too short. Let me back up. Uh-oh. I like the way this one feels too. Guys, I can't keep them all. And that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. And as always, if you have seen something in this video that you really liked, or like, oh, hell no, that needs to go back, please let me know in the comments below. Okay, help me out, girl. And if you are a fashion fan, which I think you are, especially if you made it to the end of this video, don't forget to follow me on Like to Know, because I have tons of outfit inspos where you can easily shop all of the looks that I put together. So the link will be down there as well, obviously. But until next time, take care, and I hope to see you soon.